each of these cycles in terms of the cycle, breaking it down by cycle, because that will, again, help us to chunk the data together and think about a more complex cycle to a less complex cycle. So I'm going to get into this more detail later, but I want to jump over to this flow chart just to touch in on the concept and what we'll be doing going forward. This is from the desktop version homepage, but we're just using it as a flow chart. We're in QuickBooks Online. This is the QuickBooks desktop, but we just want to see the flow chart because it's still applicable to just about every accounting system. So notice in the flow chart, you've got the vendor cycle, the customer cycle, and the employee cycle. This is how I would imagine in my mind, and how I suggest you imagine the tree of kind of operations of the accounting department in your mind. If you were in a large company, you would only be working in typically one of these cycles and possibly in a very specialized part of that particular cycle. If you're a bookkeeper, you're going to be doing all of them, but they're going to be a lot more simplified. You might have a lot easier of a process. So